Welcome to my AmbitiousEdge YouTube channel. Right now, I'm using my comb the hairs in their natural position, and we will go over it with the 1.5 on top. Make sure your hairs are sitting in their natural positions. Next, I will use the number 1.5 guard, clipper lever closed, going over it the 360 waves. Blah da da. Make sure you go with the grain of the hair. Next, I will use the number 4 guard to debulk the hairs on the side of the head. Make sure you go over it multiple times and use your comb to get rid of any loose hairs stuck on the scalp. Next, I will use my trimmers and start my initial skin guideline. We will be doing a medium drop fade. Follow the same steps all around the head. Next, time to shave off the hairs below the initial skin guidelines. Do not press too tough so that you don't irritate your client's skin. Next, we'll use our electric shavers to go over it for that crispy, tight fade. Blah da da. Next, we'll be using our clipper lever open for our next guideline. Go up 1/2 inch width all around the head. I will be using my number 1 guard, clipper lever open, and go up another 1/2 inch increment all around the head. Time to erase the lines. Clipper, lever, close. Start at the bottom and work your way up with 1/4 inch increments. Stay within the guides. Play with the lever open close to get that desired crispy, even blend. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper, lever open. Get rid of that second line. Start towards the top of that section and close the guard halfway down. Play with the lever. If you need to close it even more, go ahead, play with the lever. Next, 1.5 guard. Time to get rid of that third line. Clip your lever open. Close it halfway down until you get that fresh, even fade. Blah da da. Next, we will be using hairspray to prep the hairline for that fresh lineup. Blah da da. Comb the hairs in place. Use your trimmers. Start wherever you feel comfortable. I started at the center of the hairline for this client. Make sure you use your mirrors to check your work. For the arch, make sure you use the corners of your blade. Do not press too hard because the skin is sensitive in that area. Now I will be getting rid of the flyaways, the loose hairs, the little peach fuzz, whatever you want to call it, to make sure the hair on top is nice and crispy. Blah da da. Next, we'll be going over our enhancements with our airbrush. Make sure you use a postcard or a business card to stay within the guideline. Next, we'll apply